last year, more weight, more downforce, and you have more stability. You are able to accelerate more, but there is positive and negative.
And the negatives, can you say?
No.
Yeah, we have to try and ask. Tomorrow night, I mean, will you use that fairing package again, or will you revert back to what you've been using so far in the winter testing?
I don't know.
Anyway, from the first day I feel comfortable on the bike, so I just try to ride my best, you know. We are trying to keep the lap times really constant, in the same pace. I think today we did another step. I hope tomorrow we can improve a little bit more, but I think we are quite happy about our setup right now, and I think if it will be the race, we will be ready for sure.
About that, and every time we go out, we make a progress, even if there are small steps, but we always go forward. So it's nice to see how working is in the end building the perfect bike together.
After an incident-filled first day, the second day of testing in Qatar got underway with strong winds causing a slow start to proceedings. However, riders were keen to get out on track as the floodlights went on and no time beckoned. Heads turned in pit lane as Ducati unveiled their brand new aerodynamic package in response to the winglet ban that came into place for this season. The unique design was briefly tested by Andrea Dovizioso as Jorge Lorenzo focused on dialing in his GP17 further to the challenging losail circuit. Whilst Ducati grabbed the headlines, Movistar Yamaha topped the timesheets, enjoying a 1-2 end to the day with Maverick Vinales on top with a 1 minute 54.455, just half a second away from the ultimate pole lap record and indicating strong pace for the opening round. Meanwhile, Valentino Rossi had a more positive day and finished in second position overall, despite suffering a small crash early on in the session. Repsol Honda endured a contrasting fortunes. Marc Marquez ironed out his mistakes from day one to end the evening in 6th place, whilst Danny Pedrosa was 16th after testing just 23 laps. The duo once again worked on electronics and setup for the GP, looking promising on long runs. The biggest surprise of the evening came from Malaysia Spargo and the Aprilia Racing Team Rossini outfit. The former podium finisher set an absolutely blistering lap time with just over 90 minutes remaining to catapult themselves to 3rd position on the timesheets, the highest that Aprilia has been placed since their return to MotoGP in 2015. However, his time would be better by a couple more riders, and Aleix ended the day in 5th place. LCR Honda's Cal Crutchlow enjoyed a more positive day after finishing 3rd fastest yesterday. The two-time Grand Prix winner bettered his personal time by over 0.4 of a second and ended up in 4th place with much more running on day 2. However, he wouldn't take top independent team honours. That would go the way of Jonas Folger, the monster Yamaha Tech 3 rookie, concluding a positive 2 days in stunning 3rd position, less than half a second from pacesetter Vinales and also fastest of the rookie riders. Elsewhere, other technical developments were tried as Alex Rins tested the new front fairing seen for the first time in Australia with Suzuki, whilst KTM trialled a new frame and worked on the electronics, collectively setting a total of 140 laps between Pol Espargaro, Bradley Smith and test rider Mika Kallio. It was an exciting second day of testing at the Losail International Circuit, and with further improvements to come for the 3rd and final day tomorrow, we should see quicker lap times and new technical developments breaking cover. Stay up to date with all the latest news on MotoGP.com.